A dramatic legal showdown between Harvard University and the Trump administration has taken a decisive turn. A federal judge has temporarily blocked the administration's move to ban Harvard from enrolling international students just hours after the university filed an urgent lawsuit calling the ban unlawful and retaliatory. U.S. District Judge Alison Burroughs, already presiding over a separate $2.65 billion funding dispute between Harvard and the government, issued the ruling late Friday. The decision halts the revocation of Harvard's certification under the Student and Exchange Visitor Program. Harvard's complaint is sweeping. The university says the government's decision violates federal law and represents clear retaliation for Harvard's refusal to comply with White House demands to change its governance, curriculum, and even the ideology of its faculty and students. The Trump administration's actions, the lawsuit claims, are a coordinated effort to force Harvard to surrender its First Amendment rights. The immediate impact of the SCVP revocation would have been seismic. Nearly 7,000 Harvard students with F1 and J1 visas faced sudden uncertainty. Harvard's motion warned that academic programs, research labs, clinics, and courses would be thrown into chaos without a court intervention. The Department of Homeland Security confirmed the move, stating Harvard can no longer enroll new foreign students and that current international students must transfer or lose legal status. Harvard responded swiftly in court, accusing the administration of making unlawful demands, including turning over disciplinary records and dismantling diversity and equity initiatives. The university's president, Alan Garber, issued a powerful statement to the Harvard community, promising to defend its international students and protect the school's global identity. Meanwhile, Homeland Security Assistant Secretary Tricia McLaughlin said the lawsuit was an attempt to kneecap the president's constitutional powers, arguing foreign student enrollment is a privilege, not a right. At the heart of the issue is a broader campaign by the Trump administration targeting U.S. colleges seen as ideologically opposed. Harvard, in particular, has faced sharp criticism for its handling of pro Palestinian protests and its diversity practices. Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem said Harvard's refusal to hand over conduct records of foreign students was the trigger for the SCVP termination. The university, however, insists it complied, only to be told its responses were insufficient without any regulatory explanation. The lawsuit also accuses the government of violating procedural norms by giving Harvard no chance to defend itself or present evidence before pulling its certification. As the case unfolds, the university also continues to fight a separate legal battle over the freeze of $2.65 billion in federal funding, another action it ties to political retaliation. The judge's ruling buys time, but the legal battle is far from over. The next hearing could determine not just Harvard's future, but set a precedent for academic freedom across the country. Stay tuned for more updates.